Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com Coin, take a little bit of a look at that because we are just bouncing up and down on a very, very important price level. Take a look at Bitcoin and the entire crypto market as a whole. So let's hop in this video. So guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading at $42,526, down about 1.13%. Bitcoin dominance down to 49.99%. When you exclude stablecoins, it's basically at 52%. But something I want you guys to take note of, there's some profit taking happening here. We're still seeing liquidity flow out of Bitcoin into some altcoins, but we're actually starting to see somewhat of a rotational market. We're seeing Ethereum holding up pretty well. Yesterday, it had about an 8% increase, which is pretty significant for the volume of the market cap that Ethereum has, the dominance, if you will, of Ethereum and the crypto asset class as a whole, which is pretty significant. And we're starting to see the liquidity move into some of Ethereum and the bigger blue chip altcoins. And right now, people are taking profits. Solana down almost. It's 8% on the day, but yesterday was down another 12%, coming down from a peak of, I think we were at about $124, $126, give or take a dollar or so, but coming down relatively expected. I mean, it had a meteoric rise from $8 over the past year. That's A-OK. I think we're going to probably get some consolidation on Solana. And probably will have a continuation leading into 2024, maybe late quarter one, or maybe even if we don't see another push up in the beginning of January here around the Bitcoin spot ETF, there's definitely a chance that we don't start seeing some big volatile moves until later on in 2024, and you guys need to prepare for that. But let's take a look over at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin right now, we're just chopping around, guys. We are chopping around, and that's to be expected. I expect it to continue to be that way. We're starting to form quite a nice little formation here. I expect this to probably play out. We're definitely getting closer and closer to having a breakout here. This volume is getting dried up, and we're starting to get a little bit of a squeeze here, you can see. And I do expect some significant volatility the closer we get to January 10th, that when the Bitcoin spot ETF is either going to be rejected or approved or delayed. I know it's a deadline, guys, but be prepared for some shenanigans. Be prepared for some shenanigans. It could be delayed. It could be approved. It could be rejected. It could be a sell the news event. It could be a very, very big move to the upside. Just expect volatility, guys. That's my advice to you. Not financial advice. I put my money where my mouth is. I'm prepared for a volatile move. That's what I'm prepared for. Over on Coin, it is just bouncing back and forth, flipping this level here as support, and then resistance. It can't make its mind up at 10 cents. It can't. We're just barely above it right now, above 10 cents. We need to stay above it, guys. We need to stay above 10 cents to see a continuation off. We need to see retest, which we're retesting right about now on the 10-cent price level. And we need to see resumption off. We need to see a test, hopefully break above these wicks here at 12 cents. That'd be fantastic. But when you zoom out, there are some very interesting price targets to be looking forward to, especially if Bitcoin decides to make this next leg up. And I do also, as I say that, want to remind you guys, Coin loves to do this thing where it lags behind, and then come the bull market, when it's peak hype, it's when it starts to run, and it's an explosive move. Be prepared for that, guys. Be prepared for that. Don't be shocked if you see Bitcoin make some larger moves to the upside and Coin make some minimal moves to the upside. That's why I always say, I've been saying in my previous videos, guys, as we get closer and closer to these really big moves in this crypto hype and this crypto asset class as a whole, don't be a Coin maximalist. Don't be a Bitcoin maximalist. I mean, that might be safe, but you definitely will shrink your gains if you are only invested in Bitcoin and you're not trading around in some of these altcoins when the time is right. But being a maximalist and putting all your eggs in one basket, especially when it comes to a risky asset. And yes, I know, don't get upset with me when I say that, because I know Coin is a very good project and it's a good company. It has a good product. But we're still talking the crypto asset class. It's still very new. It's risky. It's risky. And putting all your eggs into a company in a risky asset class by itself is very risky. I would recommend that you maybe diversify your investment a little bit, especially when you're playing in a very, very risky market. I mean, it wouldn't be a wise idea to put all of your money into a random meme coin and say, I'm going to hold this for an extended period of time. I mean, yes, you can make millions and millions of dollars trading these meme coins, but you got to get in and you got to get out. Something that I learned after the first cycle. You got to take profits, guys. You have to take profits. When the market starts getting frothy, you have to take profits. And you're going to have to take profits when you don't want to do it. But you have to do it. You have to do it. Otherwise, you're going to be sitting. You're going to be sitting in this market when you buy the top, or you've been buying and you see huge gains. You see huge gains from buying down here, and it goes all the way up. You know, I'm gonna long-term hold this. You might be holding that bag for an extended period of time, especially if it's an altcoin. If it's a meme coin or something like that, it's very, very aggressive. It's very risky, and you can. Some people call it round tripping your gains. You know, you buy at the bottom, it goes all the way to the top, and then you sell at the bottom after that. You got to take profits, guys. You got to take profits. But if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Go follow me on Twitter at 333blackc. I'm very, very active over there. Also, you can feel free to check out some awesome referral links we have down below this video. We have a $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex, $8,100 sign-up bonus to BitGet. All you got to do is go below, click the link, create an account, do a couple trades, and you can get a lot of free money. It's very awesome. But, guys, that's all I got for you. Be patient. We're probably going to be consolidating here. There's going to be some volatility right around the corner. That's all I got for you. See you in the next one. Bye.